Hello and welcome to Kitchener Ford. Here's a vehicle we've gotten a lot of interest in. Currently listed at $8,500 online as traded. Is a 2015 F-150 XLT. 2015 is when they moved to the new body style, so fully aluminum from the frame up. It has a drop-in bed liner here. Just do a quick walk around of the condition. Looks to be in pretty good shape. Little ding right over here. Little scratch. Got the aftermarket step bars in there. 17-inch wheels. Tires likely will need to be replaced. There is a pretty big chip in the windshield right there. Interior is in good shape. There's your doesn't seem to work the radio. Back seats. Oh, it's because it's in battery saving. This vehicle is having some engine issues. The engine currently will start, but there's a pretty bad rod knock. We're thinking it'll likely need a new engine, so keep that in mind. That's why it's $8,000 less than anything like it in market.